In this video, I'm going to show you how to change from Adobe Reader to Adobe Acrobat. So to do this, the easiest way is to simply open Adobe Reader, and you want to open up a document, and then over here on the right you have a bunch of different tools, and you simply want to click on any tool which has this blue star next to it, meaning it can be used in the Reader, but it can be used if you upgrade to Acrobat. So for example, you could click on Edit PDF over here, which is not available inside Adobe Acrobat Reader. However, Adobe Acrobat and Pro do allow it. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to pop up this window where it says you can basically do this, and then you would have to basically upgrade from Acrobat Reader. So to do this here, you have two options. You could click on See All Plans, which is going to take you to their website, and in there you'll be able to basically see all the plans. And of course, if you want to start a free trial, you can do that over here as well. Or what you could also do is just basically click on this button, which is the free trial, and you'll get a free trial, which you can of course use to try out the features, and then get a paid plan after your free trial runs out. Okay, so that's essentially how to change from Reader to Adobe Acrobat. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.